So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out what's preventing your PC from sleeping. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do so just simply open the CMD in your system and make sure to run it as administrator. Just simply run this command prompt as administrator. Once you do that, here in this prompt, you need to write power CFG with a for space and forward slash write a requests. Once you type it, hit enter, and here you're gonna see the processes that are running over the system that might prevent your display from being from getting onto sleep mode, and you can easily close that particular process. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.